Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Before you can go live, make sure your account is eligible. You'll need at least 1,000 followers and you must be 18 years or older to access the live feature. Once that's confirmed, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen, then swipe over and select the live option. From here, you can add a title for your live stream. I'm gonna call it Shaq's Finds Stream. After that, you can go through some of the live stream settings before starting. TikTok gives you a few customization options, including dual camera mode, which lets you use both the front and back cameras at the same time. You can also adjust the video quality, remove your background, enable live GIFs, and manage your comment settings. There's even an option to filter blocked words so unwanted comments won't appear during your stream. If your live stream contains AI-generated content, you can also enable the AI content label for transparency. Once everything looks good, tap on Go Live. TikTok may ask you to verify your age first, which could require an ID or selfie verification. After that's complete, you'll be able to start live streaming on TikTok. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.